Hello everyone, thank you for viewing my video. My name is Gabriel Christine. The purpose of this video is to summarize and share my journey in the completion of the Master of Science in Space Studies with a concentration in aerospace science. What I'm about to share is not rocket science. It is the theme of my life for the last several years. If you ask anyone that knows me well, what does Gabe do on any given weekend? The most likely answer will be, Gabe is always doing schoolwork. He's always doing some kind of math work, conducting research, writing papers. The theme of my life has facilitated the understanding of the space domain, the comprehension of the capabilities and limitations of the space environment, the left and right bounds of it. Space studies involves a little bit of astronomy, aerospace science, space law, and space entrepreneurship. Space studies brings orbital mechanics, remote sensing, satellite communications, National Space Organization, space law, and space physiology and psychology together, creating the big picture of space studies. Orbital mechanics identifies the 6 classic orbital elements and helps locate an orbiting satellite in 3-dimensional space. Remote sensing helps understand what takes place on Earth from the collection and observation of emitted and reflected electromagnetic radiation. Satellite communication helps understand how audio and video messages are relayed from one part of the Earth to the next. Understanding how all the national space organizations come together to support space exploration is the building block for space studies. Space law helps understand international and domestic legislation in the peaceful use of outer space. The physiology and psychology of space helps understand what happens to the human body and the human psyche during long-duration spaceflight. The application of mathematical skills to solve orbit transfers, maneuvers, and most importantly, interplanetary trajectories are extremely important to space professionals as we move closer to sending humans back to the moon and Mars. Orbital mechanics helps understand the science behind sending humans to the moon and Mars. The complete understanding of aircraft and rocket propulsion as we progress towards the future is important to the development of efficient propulsion systems for future commercial air and space travel. Understanding aerodynamics and how air behaves in subsonic, sonic, supersonic, and hypersonic speeds helps design stronger, more fuel-efficient vehicles that transport our friends and family across large distances. The Space Studies Master's Program prepares students like me to enter the professional workforce ready to tackle the aerospace problems of tomorrow. It has been a great pleasure in sharing my journey. I want to thank you for your time